Tired of being tethered to your gaming chair? Craving an adventure that fits in your pocket? Prepare to embark on a gaming odyssey like no other. Introducing the Valve Steam Deck, your passport to a universe of gaming possibilities. From the comfort of your couch to the depths of a bustling city, the Steam Deck is your ultimate gaming companion. With a stunning display and a library of thousands of games, the Steam Deck brings your favorite titles to life in breathtaking detail. Every button press, every trigger pull is a step closer to victory. Break free from the confines of a console. The Steam Deck's compact design and long-lasting battery give you the freedom to game wherever, whenever you want. It's gaming on your terms. Your adventure, your rules. Customize your Steam Deck to match your unique style. From the controller layout to the operating system, everything is at your fingertips. Don't just watch the adventure, be a part of it. Like this video, subscribe to our channel for more epic gaming content and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. And remember, the journey begins with a single button press. Ready to embark on your next gaming quest? Get your hands on the Valve Steam Deck today. Click the link in the description below to grab yours now.